Hello, you guys. I hope you all are doing good. So, here we have come up with class 6, chapter number 2 of geography, that is globe. Now, before getting into the chapter, we should first know the important terms related to the chapter globe. As you all know, our earth is quite vast and huge, and for a better understanding of our earth, we have presented the globe, which is a model of the earth as it is, but in a small and convenient form, which shows all the continents, countries, ocean, seas labeled. Now, the continents, the countries, the latitudes, the longitude, the axis, all of it are shown in the globe. But the actual earth does not have the axis, there is no latitude, no longitude. It is for our better understanding, we have in a convenient form differentiate earth through different continents, countries, latitude, longitudes, poles. I hope you understand this. Now we'll be talking about the axis. What is the axis? This is our earth, which means in a smaller and convenient form, this is a globe. Now, axis is an imaginary line about which the earth keeps rotating once in 24 hours, and this is known as axis. It is an imaginary line about which the earth keep rotating. Now what is poles? The two extreme points. The two extreme points of the axis are called the poles. One of them is the North Pole and the other one is the South Pole. Now what is equator? The circle passing through the center of the earth and perpendicular to the axis is called the equator. So equator is the horizontal line which is passing through the center of the earth is known as equator. Now equator is which degree? It is 0 degree, which is crossing and cutting the circle horizontally into two parts. And what are the two parts? The top part is the northern hemisphere, the bottom part is the southern hemisphere. Top part को what we call North Pole, bottom part को what we call South Pole. Now we'll be talking about the prime meridian. We have already talked about the horizontal line. So horizontal is the equator, which is cutting the circle from the center. Now the prime meridian is the circle passing through Greenwich in Britain and perpendicular to the equator and is parallel to axis is called prime meridian. In simple words, prime meridian is a vertical line which is cutting the circle from the center vertically and dividing the circle into two parts, that is the eastern hemisphere and the left side is the western hemisphere. I hope you understood this. Now we'll be talking about the hemisphere, which we have already talked in the equator and prime meridian. Hemisphere. Now what is hemisphere? One of the two equal halves of the earth's spherical shape is called a hemisphere. We have talked now about this, that the earth's spherical shape has divided into two equal halves. If the earth is halved along the equator, if they divide the earth along the equator, then we get top part as the northern hemisphere and bottom part as the southern hemisphere. But if we divide the earth half it perpendicularly to the equator, if we divide the earth perpendicularly to the equator, then we get right side as the eastern hemisphere, left side as the western hemisphere. I hope you understood this. Now we will be talking about the parallels of latitude. Now what are they? All the parallel lines, all the parallel lines from the equator. Could you see the equator? This is the equator, and if we keep drawing the parallel lines from the equator to the poles, all the parallel lines from the equator to the poles are called parallels of latitude, and they are measured in degrees. Okay, all the parallel lines from the equator to the pole are called latitudes, and they are measured in degrees. And important parallels of latitude are: first is Tropic of Cancer. Now Tropic of Cancer lies where? It lies in the northern hemisphere above the 0 degree. Tropic of Cancer lies at 23 degree north. It is above the equator in the northern hemisphere. Second comes the Tropic of Capricorn, which lies in the southern hemisphere below the 0 degree in the south pole. Then we come to the Arctic Circle. It is 66 degree north of equator. So here comes the Arctic Circle. Then we come to the Antarctic Circle, which is 66 degree south of equator. That it lies in the southern hemisphere, 66 degree south. So we have talked about the parallels of latitude. Now we have to talk about the heat zone. Now different area have different heat zones. For understanding heat zone, we will be studying there are different zones of the earth where the sun rays, they fall differently, and that is why there are different climatic patterns, and these zones are called: first is torrid zone, second is temperate zone, and third is frigid zone. अब first हम torrid zone की बात करेंगे. What is torrid zone? Where the sun rays fall directly towards the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, and this region is known as torrid zone. Now we will be talking about the temperate zone. Temperate zone क्या होता है? The region which is between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle is the North Temperate Zone, and in the southern hemisphere, the region between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle is a South Temperate Zone. Here the sun rays does not fall directly, it's slant, that is why the temperature over here is mild. Now we will be talking about the frigid zone. Since the sun rays is not directly falling, it is a very slanting way, so the temperature over here is very cold, and it lies between North Pole and Arctic Circle and South Pole and Antarctic Circle. This region is the frigid zone. See, torrid zone, I have told you that the sun rays fall directly. They are exactly overhead between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. That is why it receives maximum heat. Second is the temperate zone. Temperate zone क्या होता है? Beyond the tropic. Tropic से ऊपर the midday sun is never overhead, and that is why the sun rays come at a slant in these areas, which receives mild temperature. Third क्या है? Frigid zone. The areas between Arctic Circle and North Pole, and those between Antarctic Circle and South Pole. It receives sun rays at a very big slant. Due to this, the sun is never much above the horizon, and this part of Earth receives the least amount of heat and remains very cool. So you guys can write down the notes with the explanation. Now we come to the longitude. अब longitude क्या होते हैं? Longitudes होते हैं which are the vertical lines. So imaginary line which run from one pole to another are called longitudes. They are running from one pole to another now. So these lines are called longitudes, and they are also called meridian of longitude. They are also called meridian of longitude. Now we have studied latitude. Latitude हम क्यों करते हैं? Just to know we are living in which zone, what is the temperature of it. So that is why we studied latitude. Longitude क्यों पढ़ते हैं? Just to find the exact location of a place on the earth, we study longitude. The use of latitude and longitude क्या है? It helps us in finding the location of a place on the earth. Right. Now we will be talking about longitude and time. Since you know that longitude are the imaginary lines which run from pole to pole, pole to pole, pole to pole. So these vertical lines are called longitude. Okay, and we have taken standard time, which we are going to compare with different countries and different continents. So we have taken 0 degree, where 0 degree is the prime meridian which lies in Greenwich in Britain. Okay, through this we are going to compare different time location of different continents and countries. Now as the earth rotates from west to east, the places which are to the east will be ahead of Greenwich because they are to the east and they will be ahead to the Greenwich. वो थोड़ी आगे होंगी Greenwich से. And the places which are to the west will be behind it. That means अगर हम Greenwich से आगे जाते हैं, कोई भी कंट्री देखते हैं, लाइक इंडिया देख लेते हैं, so India will be ahead. The timings of India will be ahead of Greenwich. Greenwich है 0. 15 degree is 1 hour. So कितने डिग्री हो गया? 30, 60, 90. राइट, ये 3 हो गए. इंटू 2 करेंगे क्योंकि 15 डिग्री 1 आवर है, तो 30 डिग्री कितना होगा? 2 आवर हो जाएगा. 60 डिग्री कितना होगा? 4 आवर हो जाएगा. 9 डिग्री कितना होगा? 6 आवर हो जाएगा. बट 90 से पहले आ रहा है इंडिया, दैट मीन्स 5 और 30 मिनट्स का डिफरेंस होगा. सो इंडिया विल बी 5 और 30 मिनट्स अहेड ऑफ Greenwich. Understood? So the earth rotates 360 degree in about 24 hours. Now we are going to talk about the standard time. Now standard time क्या है? The local time at various places are different. अलग अलग places पे जो local time है वो different है. So it is necessary and important to adopt the local time of some central meridian of a country as the standard time. So 82 degree, 82 1/2 degree east is treated as the standard meridian time of India. So the local time at this meridian is known as Indian Standard Time, which is we call IST. Now India is located east of Greenwich. बताया ना, इंडिया क्या है, कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है? ईस्ट साइड ऑफ ग्रीनिच at 82 1/2 degree east, that is 5 or 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Meridian time. The latitude, the longitude, why, what's the use of latitude and longitude, what is northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, everything about it. So I hope you have understood this. Anything, any problem, any issue, so kindly do let me know. So if you liked the video, if it was helpful, do like the hit button and subscribe my channel and keep updated. Thank you.